Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. The first thing we do is we make sure Bluetooth's on. So Bluetooth's on, then we watch out at the bottom here, over to the audio system, it'll come up there, BT something or other. Click on the telephone, you see Bluetooth search there, click on Bluetooth search, that's looking for a phone, it's already found it here, but we'll wait for the system to catch up. So Barry's iPhone 11, click on that. There we go, pair 712908. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone, confirm the code 712908, yes, and pair. And we want telephone, and we also want streaming. I'm not worried about mobile internet data, but that's okay. And allow contacts and favorites to sync. We'll just look for it. BT Citroen connected. So that's done. That's pretty good, pretty easy, pretty simple.